guys, welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. Guys, any one of you has faced this issue before? When you open up the car window and something is blocking it. Check this out, guys. For those of you who are wondering, there is nothing wrong with the window motto. There's nothing wrong with the window glass itself. It is just that the leather has came off the door cut. All these leather parts, a lot of them, they are glued in place, and sometimes after a few years of driving it and in the sun and all this, the glue will actually wear out, and it is this leather that is preventing the glass from moving up. So right now, let's just remove the door cut and see how we can access the leather. Removing of this is relatively easy. There are a few parts that you have to remove by hand first in order to access all the screws. This part is a small part. You just flick it out of the way. And these are some of the screws that you will need to remove in order to remove the door cut. So removing of the door cut is relatively easy. You'll be much faster if you are using a drill. But for today's video, I will be just using all the tools that I have because I've forgotten to charge the batteries for the drill. So removal of this door handle is quite easy. Just pull it out. And there is one hidden screw down below. Yeah, the video did not capture this. You should be able to see it at my fingers area. Yes, it's just a small torque screw. After that, lift up the pins holding on the door cut to the door. At this part, right, if you can't pull it out, you have to lift up a bit to move the door pin out of the way. There will be some connectors that are connected to the door cut, mainly those for the window controls and the speaker wires. Just take note of all this when you're pulling out, and do not pull out the whole thing because you might rip out some of the cables. So take a look at this. The foamy part, right, has completely ripped out of the door cut. So I'm just using some glue. You can use mostly, I would say, any type of glue, but make sure it is strong enough, because if you are removing the door cut and doing this, you do not want to do this a second time. Just use something good so that it will stay for for good, or at least for a few years before you come back to tackle this again. So what I'm doing now is I'm spreading the glue evenly across the area that has no glue at all right now. A tip for glue, right? When you are applying the glue, after you have applied, leave it for some time for it to slightly dry before you press them down together. Usually it will stay better this way. I'll be using some clamps to clamp them together while I go and make a cup of coffee, because this will take a bit of time. Usually I will leave them there about maybe half an hour to 1 hour, depending on what other things I'm doing. So guys, this is the result. It is in place right now and the windows are operating as usual. So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button, please subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Alright, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding and repairing your car. Bye bye.